If you love smoky jollof rice and crispy chicken, then this recipe is for you. Today I am making smoky baked jollof rice and air fried chicken quarters. It is easy to make, flavorful and perfect for family parties and dinners. Let's get into it. I'm starting with my chicken quarters. I've already cleaned them and I'm going to season them with paprika, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, chili flakes, and Old Bay seasoning. I'm going to add some oil to keep the chicken moist and to help in distributing the flavors from the spices. I will mix it together and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. After marinating the chicken, I air fried the chicken and set it aside to use later in my jollof rice. And for my jollof base, I am using tomatoes, onions, red bell peppers, ginger, garlic, habanero, and some chili peppers. And I had all these peppers diced behind the camera, transfer it to an oven dish, added some oil, and I will pop this in the oven and grill for 15 minutes till it's a bit charred and brown. And after 15 minutes, this is how it looks out of the oven. This step adds that smoky flavor that we love in our jollof rice. Once it is out of the oven, I'm going to transfer this to a blender and do a rough blend. Transfer the rough blend of the pepper mix into a baking dish. I'm going to add some tomato paste and some oil. After adding the oil, this is going to go back into the oven to bake for 10 minutes. This step replaces frying on the stove top and is going to help to remove the raw taste of the tomatoes. Once this is out of the oven, I'm going to combine everything together and add some leftover chicken stock that I have in my refrigerator. I'm going to also go in with some spices for the jollof rice. And for spices, I am going to use some paprika, curry, thyme, bouillon powder, and some jollof spice. Always taste your sauce at this point and adjust seasoning if needed. Next, I added some washed rice to the sauce and mixed it together until the rice is well coated with the sauce. Add some bay leaves, cover with an aluminum foil, and bake in the oven until the rice is almost fully cooked. And the rice is almost fully cooked. Next, I am going to add some butter for more richness and shine and transfer it back to the oven for 5 minutes. And this is the final result. I'm going to serve this with my air fried chicken quarters. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.